Sige daw, wake up ate. Tit.
Help me.
Help me. Oh, Aniana is on seatbelt. Oh, wow. Then Ate is on seatbelt as well. The girls are growing up.
Daddy.
Yes.
I'm always here. Daddy puts my seatbelt on.
Yeah. Ako sa Diana, wait. Uy, grabe, makaduwa na ang duha. Laban. Hala. Sige, gyud. Sige, kiat, gyud. Oh. Ano niya na? Tarong ang sina. What you doing, Anna? Addicted to capybara, this girl. But you can't buy.
Please, I will read every day. I will read every day. And write it inside this. I will read it inside this. Please.
I'm not sure about it.
Please,
Talk to your daddy about it. Talk to your daddy. State your case to daddy.
Pila man.
Tanawa dito kung pila na.
What is this?
You need to learn how to look at the numbers.
8 million.
Day, say mo na day.
Oh my God, we have to put this back. Mommy, we have to put this there. It's the capybara.
Okay. This is pink. This is... Yan na. What is that? Uy. Open. Is that open? Dili. We are in next gen today and it's almost 1:30 but sleep pa man silang duha. Uy. Sleep pa ang mga madam. So, tulog lang sa taon-taon isaka. Alright, si Onyara. Go! Yay! Going! Dali, go! Hi, Chip! Hola, sugod na mo, Chip! Ay, girl! Pagkita dito! No, naik dito. Nag-Pilipinas, sali. Napay available? Napay available kuan para doon sa dito. Na dito, katong doon sa doon mo ni Pilipinas, be. Yan na.
Can I see the hands of the male group leaders in attendance right now?
It's going to be a mystery game, and you're supposed to discover who is the mystery murderer in the game. And I'm not going to give you all of the details about it. I want to. Don't speak the word in Asian. So, what did they do? They started walking from the places that they were at. And as they were walking, God kept saying, no, No, so they kept walking until they got to certain house, and if you notice, we can't go any further. And then unless you can walk and walk, you really can't go further. And so what happened? God gave them a vision. What was the vision? A man from Macedonia was saying to them, come over to Macedonia so that you can start sharing the gospel in Europe. That was the beginning of the mission to Europe. So God had to push them out of their comfort zone and keep on going so that they would go beyond. Now, if you look at ultimately where they went, this is how far they went in the first missionary journey.
Smooth. Abi na ko usay smoothie ay. Smoothie. Kagak yung kaya na ron. Dat kita mo hong kuan. Nagyudog nakakuan. Yay, baby girl. Naman sa siya ay nakuan sa school na. Sa yung school daw natumba siya. Yehey!
Sige, welcome sa new home ni Ate Beth.
Yay!
Fire, the darkest night. You are close like no other. I know you as a father.
There is no variation of shadow due to change. So, kami excited nga dahil kami mag-expect kung nana po ilang baby. So,
Yeah.
we're hoping ang babae na.
Yay!
So, gali, dapat pa lang gapon. Dante nga.
Healthy.
So, marunong ito may share ito. Mabuhay ito kaya yun. Excited lang yung malipayo ni Karan. Especially nga na mo. Pwede ka sa inyong time na pag-ariya ito. Mag-isig yung mga ronta. Na may mga lakaw na. Pero yung special yung time sa ito. So, sige ako yata ka din na. So, may ito na. Bumura doon. Magsinabi yan.
Yehey! Ang diri, ang kids. Ang mga kids. Uy, ali. Ato sito. Bi, magkuhan ta. Bi.
Yanis! Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Yes! Tapos ang itlog na lang. No, sabi, Yara.
Sige, let's pray all together lang and then hanggang sa bumanda. Sige, hanggang sa bumanda. Kung walang tapos,
Yes.